So hello everyone, so in today's video, we'll be reviewing Homestyler right here and if it's the best home design tool. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link down in the description below in where you can get discounts and promo codes when you're going to subscribe to a plan right here in Homestyler. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Tech Radar right here, Homestyler has a 4-star out of 5-star review right here or rating. So this is the verdict right here. Despite being restricted to having to use Google Chrome for a smoother design experience, we found using Homestyler to be easy and very flexible. The free plan lets you explore on offer, marred only by the fact that too few objects needed to decorate your project are free. So here are the pros and cons right here. For pros, it's very easy to use, very responsive, and many customization options. For the cons, works best in Chrome and too many items are premium. So yeah, so make sure to keep these in mind for the pros and cons. Next, let's move on to the pricing over here. So Homestyler has 4 plans right here. So first is we have the basic plan right here. So it's definitely free. So cloud-based 3D floor planner, unlimited 1K rendering, free renders, 4K render needs to be purchased each time, 100,000 free 3D models, and access to roof editing with 3 free roof styles included. Next is we have the individual plan right here. So we have the Pro and the Master plan for these individual plans right here. So for the Pro one, it is around $5 a month. So I converted the price right here. So it is $5 a month. And then for the Master plan, it is $10 a month. Okay, so for the Pro plan right here, you'll get 75 renders, each for 2K and 4K. There will be no watermark for the Homestyler. You can upload your own 2D and 3D textures and models. You'll get access to custom lighting and environment, light mix, advanced rendering options, multi-floor plumbing and electricity, parametric stairs and roofs. Then you'll also have 100 AI credits per month and export colored floor plan, BOM, and construction drawings. For the master plan, it includes everything from the Pro plan, plus you'll get unlimited 4K image rendering. You can upload your own 2D and 3D models again, but up to 500 this time. More video rendering quota, more 8K and 12K panorama rendering quota, and includes 300 AI credits per month. Moving on, as we have the team plan right here. So this one will start from $19.6 a seat per month. So in here, it includes everything from the master plan. Plus, you'll get shared design space, shared model and texture library, sub-account management, customized logo on renders, extra rendering quota and AI credits, access to all premium models, and unlimited 2D and 3D textures and models upload, and upload designs as shared AI decor templates. And then lastly, so you have the enterprise plan right here, which has a custom pricing, so you will need to contact your team right here. So this one, it will include everything from the team plan, plus you'll get single sign-on, 3D model creation, virtual photo studio, white label and branded environment, and other customizable features on demand. So yes, these are all the plans right here for Homestyler. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts to special promos if you're going to subscribe to a plan right here in Homestyler. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.